Party 2 has me marked, right? Keep going. Guys, they're gonna catch you. Come south.
Wait.
Bro, how do you still not have me marked?
I'm
on the red
lagging, bro.
hideout. I'm going to the hideout. I'm going
I passed the fucking.
I'm going to the hideout. Go to the hideout and mark me. Mark me.
Marco is part of the lead. I'm fucking lagging, bro.
Maybe this one here.
Okay. Come southeast. Guys, yeah, I know. Guys, come west. I know. Wait, just follow me. Follow. Wait. Guys, come west. Follow me. This one here. Wait, come north. Wait, come south. Spread west. Spread. Full spread. You need to full spread. South up the hill and spread. Up the hill and spread. Wait, no, dive. Oh, on the west side. Yo, full march northwest. Broader northwest. Everybody, broader northwest now. Broader northwest. Everybody, broader northwest. Now, wrap around the north. Now, come east. Now, look east on their back line. Now, you need to spread behind them. Full spread to the north. Full spread now. Everybody, full spread now. Next, bro, 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Dev, you must spread. Please spread and heal up. Heal the back line. Now, look north on me. 3, 2, 1. Broader north. Full push north. Everybody, full push north. I need heals on the north. Heal me. Full spread north now. Yo, broader north now. Cut up at the north. I need heals on the north. Yo, help me at the north. Help me at the north.
I need heals, bro.
Come southeast, help me. Yo, cut off. Yo,
No heals, bro. No heals. 15 seconds. I did not receive one single.
Wait, careful. Mẹ mình nuốt thằng online thì phải chứ. Tao rộng đi, quay nào. Tao rộng ra đi mình thôi. Tán đi mình học. Tán đi vì sao nào. Tán sao nào. Come is not. Yo, đi our book. What is that book?
Keep calling.
10 seconds. Yo.
The Vietnamese voice is the sword. Okay, the other voice is the shield.
We didn't come on the knock side, okay, Livy? Knock side very low. Hold on. They're very low. Cái nhìn tất cả mà. Cái nhìn tất cả từ từ. Nhìn nó này nó cũng máu. Ba, một chung mình. Ở dưới này. Có ba nào. Đó là chạy khẩu không?
Bro, who died in the first engage, man?
Yo, it's not GG, right?
They run. Yeah, no GG.
Of course not, bro. Nice one. Bro, wipe them boys. We won, dude.
Next one, bro.
Will they loot for us?
Yeah.
I got loot like 11 million.
We'll combine later with them. Like, they'll give us like a split.
Nice.
Yeah, bro. Let's hear.
Bro, we didn't have enough. Did we have enough healers, or like what happened?
No, actually, yeah, healers died.
Just me and like
I saw
healers died in first
Saber
engage,
died.
bro.
I saw Alliance healer getting and then I tried to help him.
And then
Only 2 healers survived in the first after the first.
Bruh.
I'm alive.